Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe after yesterday, especially people in Ireland, with your families. The video that you are seeing now is me coming back from work with my friend that I work with. But before I'm gonna start, I'm gonna tell you that I'm all safe, all happy. I found my happy place a few weeks ago. I didn't post anything because I was busy, sort life and everything. I've got a second job. The first one wasn't so well, so I quit it after a day. But I've got a better job. Second one, I'm very happy. Was let go yesterday just because of the hurricane, so that's me coming back from work. There was more distraction, but I didn't record it. And I was very lucky that we get away with it because it was very, very windy. And I have to get up from the car a few times just to clean the road. But then I didn't stay in home. We decided to see the, Mother Nature, you can say. And we cleaned some few roads as well, so other cars can drive. We saw a bit of a county as well, but then we stay in home, which the roof almost not rip off, but still, it was the third category, which is good, but a few lives got lost, which is, unfortunately sad, So I finished my trip. I did 1256 kilometers in total. I know I can do it more. I can do the whole Republic of Ireland, but I find my happy place here. I'm very happy. Everything is great. But I'm planning something next year and something bigger, probably on holidays. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.